Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Curiosity Unlimited, and today's video we are going to the sound. In today's video we are going to unbox and review a product. Okay, so the product that we have today is this rechargeable uh, fan. Okay, so this is a USB rechargeable fan. It goes on for around 4 to 5 hours and takes around 5 hours to recharge. Okay. And if you like the video, then do tick all the boxes like subscribe, like, share, comment, whatever you want to. Okay, so this is the product. Let's open it now. So basically this is not an unboxing, this is a review because I've already opened this, I've used this, and it's a fantastic product. But let's just go through the feel of unboxing and see of the box first, and then let's open the product. So this is a personal fan with a remote control. The company's name is GM, but this is not General Motors, this is some generic company. Okay, the name is Air 180 Personal Fan. These are the product specifications and details. Okay, so it is a rechargeable personal fan. MRP is 5,000, but this is around $1,000. Okay, so I did not get this online, I got this offline, and I could not find this one online, so I won't be able to give a link, but you can probably try searching it somewhere and get it if you like it. These are the package accessories. So there is one fan, there is one product manual, and there is one charging cable. Okay, so this is the fan. Basically this comes in a very compact form, but you can increase the height till this. Okay, so if you see the specifications, it is a rechargeable mini fan, 3.7 volt rechargeable, 5400 mAh battery, discharge power 1.25 watts, 5 volt 2 ampere recharge input, 5.5 hours of recharging time, and approx 4 to 18 hours of usage depending on the speed. Detachable front guard for easy cleaning, and the dimensions. Okay, so there are 4 speed, a DC motor, strong airflow, 12 months of warranty. Okay, it oscillates at 180 degree. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this now. That's enough of box reading. Please ignore the dogs barking, I don't know what is happening there. Okay, so the first thing is a rechargeable cable. This is a type C cable, standard cable, a bit thick though, so seems good quality. This is the actual fan, and there is a manual. This is the base. Yeah, so this is our fan, GM. So if you see, there is nothing really here, just a charging point. Apart from that, nothing much. To open this, you just have to look here. There is a, okay, here it says open. Okay, so you open it from here like this. It opens backwards. Here is the remote. Then you can just flip it like this. Okay. This is a control module. You can control it with a feather touch. Okay, if you do not want to use the remote or the remote is lost. So how do you actually do this? So the thing here, the bump here, is the infrared sensor. Okay, and to switch it on, you can just press it once. This is the battery level, this is the fan speed. Okay, I press it once more. This is second speed, third speed, and fourth speed. So it actually goes only till 3 speeds. The fourth one is not an actual speed controller, but rather an automatic function where if you put the fan into the oscillation mode, it switches on, switches off. Even not even in oscillation mode, just now also it is just switching off, switching on. This is a battery saver kind of function. Okay, so if you press it once, it switches off. Here is the oscillation function. Okay, so that rotates the fan. Switch it off, and if you just keep press it for a long time, there is a light. See, that's the LED light. Just long hold. Okay, so that's the fan things. Now check the remote. This is a power on off button. See, it offs on, right? This is the swing mode, so I switch it on and it swings. This is how it swings. It goes to 180 degrees. And just keep on going. Though I doubt it is 180 degrees, I would assume it is around 130, 140 degrees, probably. Maybe not full 180 degrees. Okay, that's switching on off. Then there's this light function that switches the light on off, and this is the fan speed. Okay, and this is a timer where you can put a time, how long do you want the fan to stay on. That's it. That's the remote. It already has a battery in it, so you don't have to put a battery. So it takes this button cell, CR2032. So the head of this fan, okay, this you can tilt it like, you can see, so back. Okay, so you can put it basically in any formation you want. Okay, it does not move like this, but it goes into oscillation. And now let's adjust the size and see how big it is. So to adjust the size, what you have to do is you have to turn this. Okay, so just keep this out of the way. You turn this side, and then close it off. So this is the maximum height. Obviously you can just do it till the height you want. So this is the height that it goes up to. Okay, so it is a bit noisy, but not too. And this is the height that it goes to maximum. And here if I do the swinging, it still swings. So these are the height comparisons. You can see how small it is and how big it can go to. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, then do all the things that I've told you in the start of the video. If not, then see you in the next video. Hope you like that one. Have a great day. Bye bye.